Galaxie is a factory red with black, 4-speed car. Obviously spent some time outside. Might take a touch more than Armor All to get this baby back to good, but super solid bones to get started with. The door is absolutely no sag. When you go to close these things, they just lock right into place. And overall, a really solid body. Couple little spots. Not bad at all though. Here's probably the worst of it here, is where I tried throwing a little putty on there at some point. But believed to be factory paint. If you look at what's coming through, I believe it as well. Drop us a line over here at Enswell Speed and Fab. We can help you with getting this shipped out to your house. Begin work on this wonderful project, or drive her as is.